Saan mainit?
Sa labas po. Ang init sa labas po.
Sa Nuvali.
Wala tayong Seda, Nuvali.
Kala natin uulan. Yung pala mainit.
But Daddy, follow the direction. Punta tayo sa Seda. Wait tayo 1 hour. 1 hour. Maigit sa 1 hour.
Ayan na Seda, oh.
Yeah! Seda na agad.
Seda na.
Wow! Seda!
Where's the Seda?
Wow, dalawang building. Daddy, dalawang.
Ballroom, lobby. Papark man tayo.
Gusto ko dito! Ganda! Napakaganda. May tubig. And Seda! Yan! Seda!
Ayan, elevator. Playroom, game room. Ayan. Nakita nyo na yung playroom?
Swimming pool.
Ah, wow. PS5 pa. May PS5! Ito. Hey, hey.
Let's go. Tingnan hindi yun.
11.
Press the button.
Ano 11?
11.
Ayan. Top floor pala tayo. Bumili, ano?
11 ang taas.
11th floor.
Okay, we're to 9th floor. Next time.
9, 10, 11.
Why? Here.
Wow!
Oh.
Ano number?
3-3. Wow. Ganda.
Ang dumi ah.
1140 na nga yung dulo. Ito na, 1133. Ito. Kabila. Executive Deluxe Room. Ito, sa kabila. Ito. Here. Yan.
This one is our room.
Diyan ah. Top. Open it. Push. Wow.
Tour mo na. Room tour.
Wow. Wow, ang laki. TV, we have desk. We have car. Ano to? Sofa.
Oh my God, so high.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Goodness.
Oh my God.
Ayun na.
So relaxing.
Hi.
The carpet is so rough.
Okay.
Let's go to the bed.
How about the bed? Check the bed.
The bed is one king size bed again.
Oh.
Four of us.
Yes.
Day to
And
stay.
then I think there's a bathroom.
Room tour.
Wow. Big bathroom, huh?
A big bathroom. Seda Nuvali's.
Ay, this is where you ihi, yan.
Ay, see you then!
CR?
Papa, our clothes cabinet and there's a safe.
Okay, don't bed na kayo. Ano tingin? Tinapit. Ito na yung bed. Oh.
You're my setup up. My setup up.
Wait lang, yun!
Down. We're going swimming na?
Yes.
Oh.
Let's go here. Hey, I think here.
Wait natin. Saan?
Yun. Ground floor, ha? Ground.
Okay, but you wait up!
Sige, go. G.
G.
Oh.
Okay.
Doon tayo sa kids. Kids sa kabila. There. Yun.
But did they have my goggles?
Yeah. Andito may goggles? Ano?
Alam ko wala po eh.
Doon lang tayo sa kids part.
Yeah, kids part first. Kids part first if you're not ready for the big part. Leon!
Picture muna.
Holistic face ah. Daddy, may dalawang food.
Doon kayo sa kabila, sa kids. Yan, baka madulas ka din. How many feet you want to try it?
Ilan nga muna. Ilan lang.
Go.
Ready?
Go, 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 go. I don't know. You can try it. Pwede naman. Try mo dito. Don't try. Go, go. Sorry. Bubbles. Ang lamig.
I need to
Go Daylan. Go Daylan. Good job. Good job. That's enough. Okay, Dia's turn. Go. Straight arms. Dylan.
Mommy, do you want gun? I want gun now.
Ayun na. Dito tayo. Dylan, Dylan. Good job, good job, good job.
Mommy, naiiwan ko ako na bata.
Oo nga eh. Kahit hindi freestyle, go. Good job!
Tapos na kayo mag-swimming for this afternoon.
Dylan, hi to the camera.
Hindi yata tayo, mami. Bawal.
Teka lang, remove ko lang si Mercy.
Ako na. One at a time lang, di. Hindi kayo kaya dalawa niyan. Diyan muna. Sige, go, diyan. Careful. Masyadong malakas, ha? Oh. Yay! Jump! Jump! Akasan mo para mataas ka. Pwede yan. Wow! Sakay na, picture ko kayo. Ito yung sa ano, sa may misto sa baba ng Seda. Yan yung view. Oh. Wow! Yun yung Ayala Malls. Soledad.
Uy,
Wow! Ang tawag dyan, tucked in bed.
Sip na sila eh. Ay, naka-eat na sip na nag-eat.
Ito na yung food namin ni Mami. Lechon Cebu. Ooh! Looks enticing, ha?
Daling ko dyan yung mga.
Oo. Tapos ano to? Ano to? Dinakdakan?
This is...
Ooh! Red eyes.
Pinakamalamig room sa lahat ng hotel natin pinuntahan.
Hindi na ako malamig. Anong floor ba tayo?
11.
11th.
Waki! Yung eto, Seda! Oh, Waki!
Which
11th was...
which one ano do you like more? Seda Nuvali, Seda ano, Bertis North?
We went to the
Nuvali.
Valley. Bigger than this one. Then bigger than this one.
Okay.
Pero daw.
Ayan, sunrise na. Ayan na yung sun. Time check, 5:45 ng umaga. Day 2. Seda, Nuvali. Maya-maya, kain na kami sa Misto restaurant sa baba. Our breakfast.
Yay! Morning! Morning, Seda Nuvali dito!
Breakfast time. Inabo, inabo. Hindi gumagamit ba nung ano? Wala. Meron ano? May pakain. May pakain. Ah, ito yung ano. Velvet. Number 23. Hey. Yan, Fruit Loops. Favorite ni Dylan yan, ah. Sige. Fruit Loops. Saka, ayun, Coco Crunch, oh.
Ian Fruit Loops sa'yo.
Huwag mo ano. Natiin mo 3 klase. Ayun, may waffle, oh. Saka pancake. Wow.
How many? 1 lang muna, ha?
Tigisa lang muna sila. Hindi yan chocolate syrup.
Croissant? Madam, may croissant? You want to try this?
Oh, yeah, I want that.
Mukhang croissant naman eh.
Good!
Pati yung ano, yung waffle lagyan mo. Yung waffle lagyan mo.
Yeah, the clock.
Yung waffle na lang, huwag mo na lagyan.
Ulan natin kagabi. Which one do you like?
Ayan. How about you, Daylan? Sarap ba yung bread mo? Hi, Dayon!
Yeah, chocolate. Wow.
Daddy cappuccino.
Cappuccino,
Assassino.
ballerina cappuccino. This
Ano?
is ballerina. No, it's like blue one. This is ballerina. Good job.
What will you do? You will dip?
I did this.
Okay. Ooh, sarap.
Favorite waffle chocolate. If I taste it, it tastes.
G, ground.
It's still open.
The ground. G. Dito mahulog kayo dyan.
Okay, let's go. I'm gonna touch the floor. Ready? In the deepest part. Ready?
Daddy, si Daylan ah. Daddy. Daddy. Hi, Dion. Go. Move. Move, Dion. Go. Dylan, go.
Mommy, move!
Yeah. Kuya Dylan, naiwan eh. Go, Kuya Dylan. Go, Dion. Good job. Jangan
Go.
ready.
Sige yun.
Diyan o, kay Mami. Daddy, si Diyan ah. O, video ko. Good job. Ay, set. Balik ka doon. Isa pa.
You water yung ears?
Bye-bye.
Hello. Thank you, Seda Hotel, Bali.
You already write the message.
Pauwi na kami.
Wait.
Can you read your message?
Thank you for this marvelous, luxurious hotel. They are the best. You'll miss this grand hotel. Thank you for everything.
Thank you.
That's so sweet.
Me.
Go.
Thank you, Seda. Thank you for enjoying.
Thank you, Dion. Bye.
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 Welcome to Saya.
Enjoy.
Bye-bye, Seda. Bye-bye, Seda. I love you, Peppa. We love you.
Bye-bye, Seda.
Seda.
Miss na kami.
Bye, no, Bali.
Oo, dito tayo galing. Oh. Ayan, oh. Kita mo din. Pero ang araw, oh.
Okay, lunch time. McDonald's muna kami.